Hello kids! Welcome to a fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn words that start with the letter B. B for butterfly. Butterfly.
Yay!
B for box. Box.
Yay!
B for bell. Bell. B for bed. Bed. B for boy. Boy.
Yay!
B for bridge. Bridge.
Yay!
B for boat. Boat.
Yay!
B for bottle. Bottle.
Yay!
B for bat. Bat.
Yay!
B for bag. Bag.
Yay!
B for ball. Ball.
Yay!
B for bus. Bus.
Yay!
B for bee. Bee.
Yay!
B for bear. Bear.
Yay!
B for buffalo. Buffalo.
Yay!
B for bicycle. Bicycle.
Yay!
B for bird. Bird.
Yay!
B for banana. Banana.
Yay!
Thanks for watching.